Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Lifelong Alpha Plus beard trimmer. The model number of this particular device is LLPC M11 as it's noted over here. The box also comes with a nice illustration. The Lifelong logo is right over here, and let's see if there's some other information. Nothing much over here. And there's some information on this side. This particular trimmer comes with 4 hours of usage time and also comes with 2 hours of quick charge tech. I'll talk about that later. And this particular device can be used as corded and cordless. Not bad, and comes with 12 months of warranty. Let's just open this box and see what the trimmer actually looks like and what else comes with it. Oh, there's a tray here. There you go. Tray has a cover as well. Very neatly packed, I must say. There you go, covers off. This is the cleaning comb and your cleaning fluid right at the top. Alright. This is the USB charging cable, and this is your USB adapter. And this is the trimmer itself, the Lifelong Alpha Plus beard trimmer. Has a metallic finish to it. It's not metallic, it's actually plastic, but it looks very nice. Has a sleek design, has a unique angle to it as well. This is the power button right over here, and you can see that it has full charge because it was glowing green, which means it's completely charged right now. Also has this anti-grip texture over here. This is basically one of the many ergonomic designs that trimmers get made in. Power sockets over here, by the way. The dial is very interesting. There are 0.5 to what's the other one? 10, basically 20 length settings, length adjustment settings here, and you can control them from the top and the bottom, which is very interesting. Let's take a look at the top. This is the detachable comb. There you go. And this is basically your metallic trimmer, and I'm hoping it's detachable as well. Yes, it is detachable. Always a good thing, which means you can wash the head separately. I'm going to put this back in and put this back in over here as well. I'm going to take a quick look at the box and see if I'm missing anything, because there seems to be a lack of documents, which is alarming. Yes, there are documents here, nothing to be alarmed about. This is your 6-month warranty card, never lose it. And finally, this is your user manual. You should go through it at least once. And that's it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Lifelong Alpha Plus beard trimmer. Thank you for watching.